we guide you through how to delete Snapchat account. So the first thing you need to do is to open Snapchat app and tapping your profile icon at the top left. Then hitting the settings gear in the top right corner, scrolling down to account actions and selecting delete account. After which you'll be prompted to enter your username and password to confirm. And once submitted, your account will enter a 30-day deactivation period during which you can reactivate if you want to change your mind. After that, your snaps, chat, and data will permanently remove. So make sure you save anything important before proceeding, and for extra security, log out from all devices to ensure no one can access your account, making this process fast, safe, and final while giving you full control over your digital presence.